Looking for a good wireless mic option? Let's talk about it. Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today the folks at Fifine have sent me their M9 wireless mic system to review, and I'd like to thank them for providing this review unit as well. So let's get into it. Since I started my channel, I've primarily used Hollyland mics, and I'm not sure how I came across Hollyland mics, but I've tried a few different models of their product and they've worked pretty well so far. I mentioned this to Fifine and they were more than happy to go up against Hollyland, so we're going to do a sound test in just a bit, but let's talk about the specs on the M9 first. Alright, let's look at everything you get with the Fifine mic system. So you get this nice case, zippered, open it up, and we've got a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. We've got the mic system itself, which we'll look at in just a sec, and then accessories that come with this. So there are a few different cables and they are labeled, so you do know which cable goes with which. This one is the phone cable, so this one is for connecting your phone up with a 3.5 to 3.5. These rings on the cables themselves will kind of, it's good to have the labels on there because this one is a 3 ring and this one's a 2 ring, so there is a difference between that, believe it or not. This is your phone cable, so this is a USB-C to a 2 ring cable, and then you've got the camera cable, which is labeled with camera, and you've got the 3.5 to 3.5. You also get 2 dead cats that clip on to the mics themselves. I always think that's a funny name there, but you've got 2 dead cats that come with it. And then the mic system itself right here. This is also a charging case, so it's got a USB-C on the back of it. And when I open this up, you've got 2 mics to use and then the receiver. So the receiver has the power button, it's got a volume A, volume B button on the side. You've got a 3.5 out pairing button and then the MS button there. You've got a display that shows you your connection. And on the receiver, little smiley face there, which I like, indicators for noise cancellation and power. This is the microphone itself, and this is where the dead cat clips in. Little clip there to connect or to put on your jacket or your shirt. You've got a noise cancellation button, pairing button, and then the volume button on the side. The mics themselves are about 1 inch by 1.5 inches. The base unit is about 1.5 inches squared, and the case is about 2.5 inches high and 4 inches long. This mic system retails for around $60 on Amazon, which is much cheaper than some of the Hollyland gear. So how does the M9 sound? Let's try it out and see. Okay, this is a test of the Fifine wireless mic. I've got the mic here, right, clipped onto my polo shirt, and I'm going to just talk to you right now so you can hear the sound quality from the Fifine. And next we're going to test Hollyland, which is what I've been using for quite some time on my channel to do videos, and I just came across that brand. But you'll hear the sound difference between the Fifine and the Hollyland in just a sec. Alright, now I've got one of the Hollyland mics on my polo shirt right now, so you can hear the sound difference between the two. We just listened to the Fifine, this is the Hollyland. I think the Fifine sounds really good, and for the value you get with it and everything that comes with it, I think it's a really good buy if you're a content creator or you're just looking to be on a video conference call like this where you don't want a headset or anything like that on you. You just want to look more natural, like you're talking into the camera and talking with your coworkers or other people on the other side. The Fifine mic system is a really good value, and I highly recommend it. Now, these types of mics aren't just for content creators. If you find yourself on lots of video calls throughout the day, consider a wireless mic. Rather than wearing a headset or earbuds, I switched over to using speakers and a wireless mic, which makes me look more natural and professional on camera. You could also go with a desktop mic, but I find a wireless mic lets you get up and move around if you like to pace, and the audio is consistently close to you with the mic on your body. Again, this mic system goes for around $58, $60 on Amazon, and is a better deal in my opinion than what you would get from a Hollyland comparable. But let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a content creator or working from home and finding yourself on lots of video calls each day? Drop a note and let's talk about it. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we'll talk soon.